Walaikum salam.
What's your name?
Hamza,
And
Ahad.
where are you from, guys?
UK Leeds.
UK London.
And that is why you do not look like Pakistani breed.
No, yes. You don't fit into the Pakistani character.
Would you like to break down the cost of your outfit, please?
Yeah, that's fine. He's gonna go first.
Okay, so my watch is £200.
Okay.
The bag that I'm wearing is £500. The slippers I'm wearing are £30. The outfit, the shirt and the shorts I'm wearing is £50.
Which brand? And from which brand are these?
Nike, you've got Givenchy, you've got Armani, you've got Louis Vuitton shades.
And what is the most expensive thing you have ever bought till now?
My shades,
Sheets. And what is the cost of the sheet?
£500.
500 pound. And what is the least cheapest thing you have right now?
My slippers,
And would you like to reveal the cost of the slippers, please?
£30.
Okay. And how about your cost?
My cost, so this shirt, it comes with a set. The set is about £50. So the shirt comes about £30. The shorts £20. And then my joggers, they're £70. And then my slippers are £30 as well.
Okay. And how about you? Is there anything you wanna purchase but you haven't bought it till now?
Yeah.
And it is in your dream bucket list.
Yeah, a Versace towel.
And have you planned the path through which you can purchase it?
Not yet, but inshallah soon.
And how? Is there anything you have in your mind?
Hopefully, if the future works out for me, I'll be able to do it. But right now, it's about a Mitti Bhatta sketch, so I don't know yet.
Okay. And bro, would you like to share what do you do for a living?
What I do for a living?
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot say that on camera, boss. That's not good.
And how about you?
I'd rather not say.
Have you purchased the classes and all this stuff with your money, or you are the pilot?
I've got a sugar mummy.
Sugar mommy. Is this same for you?
No, not same for me, apparently. I don't attract much women these days.
But do you do his jobs or a business?
It's a business.
Is this your own or
It is my own, yes.
it's coming from the family?
No, it's my own.
own.
Sole trader.
That's interesting.
Thank
But you
you.
do not want to reveal it.
Do I not want to reveal it? I cannot say on camera because...
Can you guys guess in the comment, please?
Guess in the comments.
Down below.
And please, can you say the follow Osman and Mike?
Follow Osman on TikTok.
Follow Osman on TikTok.
Thank you.